Hello everyone. Today we are saying to you seven tips about dark theme design. So when we are doing the dark theme design, dark theme is one of the most requested feature over the past few years. Both Apple and Google made dark theme an essential part of your dark thin reduce luminance provides safety in a dark thin environment and can minimize eye strain. So we have the seven tips to remember when we are doing the design dark theme for your product, website, and applications. So what is the first one? First one is avoid pure black. The dark theme doesn't have to be pure white text on a pure black background. In fact, in fact that high contrast can be painful to look at, and it's a so to use dark gray the primary surface color component rather than true black. True black means you can see on the screen for the two rectangle uh, and has 0000000. So this is the code of the black color. And second one is black color of the set has one F. That one is the dark gray surface reduce the eye strain. Light text on a dark gray surface has less contrast than light text on black surface. Dark gray surface can express a wider range of color, evolution, and depth because it's easier to see a shadow on gray instead of a true black. You can use and one of the Google material design is recommend on dark gray color for the this color for one has 1 to 1 to 1. So that one color is I am recommending to the dark surface color as 1 to 1 to 1 to and 1F. Second tips is avoid using saturated color means use desaturated color. That means when you using for the dark theme for saturated color, it's look great on the light surface. Can usually vibrate against dark surface, making it harder to read. Desaturate primary color in order to make the contrast enough against the dark surface. Use lighter tone color in the 250 range because they have better readability on the dark theme surface. Lighter variant would not make the UI less expensive, but they help you maintain appropriate contrast without causing eye strain. So you can see on the screen for two box, rectangular box on there using text for title, same in second on box title, and see for the color look like when you're using. So I will I would be suggest to you avoid using saturated color on dark theme as they can usually vibrate against the dark surface. And third one is tips uh, avoid pure white for text. Avoid white text for that means On color are color that appear on top of component and the key surface. They are typically used to protect. The default on color for a dark theme for pure white, but when you're using the white color code is has FFF. Is a green color is a this is a very bright color and it usually vibrate against the dark background. There's Google Material Design recommend using slightly slightly darker white. So I recommend that when you're using for the white color on black color, so I recommend to you is a high emphasis. You can see on the screen for opacity should be takes 87%. If you want to apply for the medium, so 60% and disable it should be down out to 60% to 38%, 38 40%. So what is this one is the piece for the quick tips. Lighter text on dark background can appear more bold than dark on light. That's why you may want to use lighter font weight for dark mode. What is the fifth? Uh, what is the fourth? Sorry, what is the fourth? It's lighter surface equal to higher resolution. You can see on the screen for the lighter surface on the lighter surface. So you can see on the surface you see the higher surface evolution rising it closer to impaired light source. The light that surface become that light is expressed through the application of semi-transparent overlay. You can see on that black color on some dark black, some light gray on some or more light gray. So opacity will be different when you're doing the overlay is 5% illusion first 1 dp, only 8% illusion 3 dp, only 11% illusion equal to 6 dp. So we need to be follow up that type of the type of the ideas when we are doing for the dark mode BI. So fifth one is maintain the emotion aspect of design. When we are designing for the light mode and dark mode, we should uh, we should maintain for the user emotions because sometime uh, sometimes happen when we're doing for the design for light mode, dark mode, but not maintain for the user's emotion. Stamping on the less system decide when to dark theme or the design decision can lead to prepared UX. So when using for dark theme and light theme. So when converting for the light theme to dark theme, one has to keep mind visual emotions. The brand you can buy the adjusting the color interest. Because sometime will be dark mode if they're looking for the very well and all kind of that typographic or icons all things and light mode is not looking well and unbalanced. So it's the very difficult to maintain for the user's emotions. So and then a dark mode does not have to be drive from this light. So this one is tips. Sixth one is allow the user to switch from regular to dark mode. This is very important tips because sometimes it's very better not use auto enabling in dark mode. Allow user to turn dark theme and using UI control. Users should be able to option into the mode manually. Based on their own needs, you need to be positioned and designed for most features. As a like that we saw on screen, you can see that on the dark themes and selected. So user can have the control and he can switch the dark mode to light mode to dark mode. That one is the sixth tips. Last and tips is user accessible color contrast. Uh, this one is tips for making for ensure that the content that is showing on dark mode. Uh, so it's really need to be visible because you see on the screen for two box large text, normal text, and second one there is a cross, red cross, large text and normal text. Not much visible on the right side of text. Left side is very visible. So ensure that your content very comfortably legible in dark mode. Dark thing surface must be dark enough to display white text. So you can I would be suggest to use for the Google material when you are using for the dark mode design or light mode design, and that one I am mentioning here for 15 at one between text at the background. So this is the my side for the 7 tips for the dark mode design. Thank you for watching. I hope you like for the my design and enjoy. Uh, I would like to if you are do for the likes and follow for your friends. So uh, it's very good for me uh, and I try to make for the next video for a very good and game for the tips from my side. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.